Hi, welcome back to the short tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how to get the voice changer on the TikTok. So if you want to get this new amazing feature of the TikTok, watch this video till the end. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your Play Store and you have to search for the TikTok. Once you will search for it, here you will see update button. Simply you have to click on the update to update your TikTok application. Once you will update it, go back, and after that you have to tap a while on the TikTok app icon and go to the information. Now you are in the settings of the TikTok. Go to the storage and the cache and clear your cache from here. Once you will do it, if your region support this feature of the voice changer, you will get it on your TikTok. If it's not, it means this update is not available in your region right now. So wait for it. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.